Hey everyone, this is Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. I am so sorry I've not posted these happy mail packages sooner. You know, sometimes life just gets to lifing and sometimes you have to let something slide, and unfortunately this time it's been my YouTube channel. I would just like to thank everyone that is still hanging around, and I hope to someday, like I always do, find a good balance between my home life, my work life, and my YouTube life. So let's get started. These packages go way back. I'm so apologetic of that. I appreciate everyone's kindness so very much. Let's get into the packages. The first one, I did win a prize from Leanna over at It's a Deal. I will be linking everybody's channels down below. She sent me this super sweet thank you card, and she was giving away some Disney charms. I thought that these would be great to add to my Disney box for when I do swaps with people, because I don't have a lot of Disney supplies. Thank you so much, Leanna, for sending these my way. I will be putting them to good use in my next Disney swap. This next one is from Lisa L. She's Crafty Girly 2025 on Instagram. Let's take a look and see what's inside this package. Oh, okay. So I even forgot I did this. Lisa at Crafty Girly 2025, she was hosting a one stamp swap, and you could send anything that you wanted, but you could only use one stamp to ship it. I sent hers out and I did video it, so I will go ahead and after I show what she sent me, I will insert the video of what I sent her. Thank you so much, Lisa. She wrote me a little note. It's really great how much you can actually send for one stamp. We have some ribbon, some flowered stickers, a little egg nest, some scrap paper, this little chickie. We have some collage paper, some stickers. We have this cute bunny chipboard, a little sheet from a children's book, and it looks like some junk journaling supplies. This is great. I love to have these little pieces of bits and bobs to keep in my stash. Thank you so much, Lisa. I will link her Instagram channel down below. I believe she's still doing it. I don't go on Instagram very often, and I will go ahead and insert a clip of what I sent to Lisa here. She requested pink and purple. Let me show you what I'm going to be sending her way. I did go into my stash and I grabbed some matching stationery, and I have this really fun stamp in my stamp collection. I decided to use that on the back. It says one stamp swap. That's what she calls it. Everything is going in this little clear baggie that will fit inside the letter, and when I lay it out, I will make sure that everything is laying next to each other so that the envelope is not too thick. We have some purple flowers. These are stickers. A purple tag. We have a purple and pink tag in a vellum sleeve. This pretty pink tag. We have some ephemera. Flowers. This is a great way to share your stash when you have lots of the same things. I thought I would share some of these envelopes for her happy mail. Some clear stickers, some pink sentiments, a vellum butterfly, some flower flakes, a couple of tags. In purple and pink, we have a bow and some ephemera, this cute sticker, a little ticket, some flowers, a little birdie, a pink arrow, a little note card, a banner flag, and then we have some tags. In purple and pink, some sparkly paper, another tag, and I'm also sending her some purple and pink dewdrops. That is my one stamp swap with Crafty Girly 2025, Lisa over on Instagram. And this next package is from Tony. She sent me this thank you card. Her channel, Tony's Witchy Arts and Crafts. She purchased some dewdrops from me and she always sends me cash. She sent this really pretty card. So very sweet. Thanks so much, Tony. I hope you loved the dewdrops that I sent your way. This next one is from Teresa over at Carolina Bug. Oh, here is her information. She sent this super cute Easter card. That bunny is so super sweet. She sent this cute message on the inside, and she also shared some really sweet Happy Easter stickers. These are perfect to put on the envelopes that I send my dewdrops in. Thank you so much, Teresa. This next package is from Marissa, Fun Size Crafter on Instagram. Doubt this Easter card to me. It's so super cute. I love this washi. On the inside, she wrote me a sweet note, and she also sent some die cuts. These are cute. I don't have these Nomi Easter die cuts. These are so fun. Marissa, thank you so much for sending this happy mail my way. I appreciate it so much. The next package is from Diana over at Diana Loves Colors. She sent me this super cute Easter card. So she says she's had some of these crafting products on her desk that she thought I would be able to use. Thank you so much, Diana, for sending this my way. I did see the video where she made these cute bunnies. So cute. Let's see what she sent to me. Looks like lots of goodies in here. The first thing are these adorable flat back bunny heads. These are so cute. I love them so much. I don't have these. She sent a variety of colored brads. I love these so much. Thank you so much, Diana. She sent everything in the cutest little bags. She sent these really nice large flower die cuts. These are great for junk journals and also for card fronts because they are such a lovely size. This looks like a handmade wallet. Let's see. She has a magnetic strip here. Super cute. And on the inside, it is full of these really sweet ephemera. These are actually, I think, are stickers. They are so cute. I love them. Look at how cute. I had a rabbit growing up and she was brown. And I remember chasing her around my backyard. She was so cute. So fun. These are adorable. And then also she sent me these flat backs and they have a bunny designs on them. Thank you so much, Diana. This is a great pocket design. I love it so much. Filled with all these goodies. Thank you. And in here, it looks like she made this embellishment. It looks like she put the Mod Podge over the top. This bunny is so sweet. I will be putting this on one of my walls. I like to put things that really speak to me on there, and this is so super sweet. This is definitely something that's going to go up on my wall. She might be able just to thumbtack it from the tie. Thank you so much, Diana. I absolutely love this little sweet bunny. She also shared these super fun material bunnies. They have little tulle skirts. They are adorable. I don't have these either, but you know I'm going to end up hoarding them forever. We have some foam stickers. These are so cute. And then we have these really unique puffy pieces. They are fabric on the back and some sequin on the front. They don't have anything like this either. These are amazing. Thank you so much, Diana, for sharing such fun goodies with me. I appreciate it so very much. Here we have a St. Patrick's Day ephemera piece. It looks like she made this. Very cool. I do have a little St. Patrick's Day box that I will be putting him in. This is so cute, Diana. I don't think I have a 4-leaf clover this size. This is very nice. Thank you so much. Awesome. She sent these baby pacifiers. They are the perfect size for me to use in my baby albums on the sides where I make my dangle charms. This was so very thoughtful of you, Diana. Thank you so much. These are definitely getting used in my albums. That was so thoughtful of you to think of me sending all these wonderful goodies my way. The next package is from my bestie Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic. Let's see what's in this little envelope. She sent me these super cute little hearts in there. So fun. I love how she put that on the top of her package. She's sharing this rare find with me. I know what this is. She was looking for this special Cricut paper. She traveled super far to find this. I tried to find it at my area and I couldn't find it. Let's take a look and see what it actually is. This is the Cricut craft board. It's colored. Wow, it is 12 by 12 foiler sampler holographic neon. Thank you so much, Sharon, for sharing such a special and highly sought after paper pad with me. I appreciate it so much. I don't know if I'll ever be able to use it. Thank you so much because I love it so very much. She also shared this package of goodies with me. We have some little birdie embellishments. This is for traveling. She knows knows I do a lot of traveling, so thank you so much. These little birdie parties. This is so cute. A hen party. That's funny. Love that. She shared some Amy Tan. She knows I have lots of Amy Tan papers and embellishments, and this is perfect. I do have this paper pad. Thank you so much. We have some simple stories. This is beautiful memories. There's lots of good ephemera in there. I love ephemera. Little birdie, this is the baby stickers. These little storks are so sweet. And then she also shared this baby girl stamp set with me. Thank you so much, Sharon, for sharing all of these goodies with me. That is my Happy Mail share. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.